What's up, bitches? It's a windy day today, but it also feels fucking great, I'm not gonna lie. Holy shit, okay, it's a little bit more windy than I thought, okay. But it's a good day, it feels great. I got music playing in my ear. I'm fucking vibing. Alright, bud. I'm not gonna lie, I don't mind that truck that bad. Color's pretty nice. Like, it's like a matte green, it ain't bad. Wheels are alright, you know, I would probably prefer black. What the fuck was that in the road, dude? I don't know if the camera caught it, but I didn't. Holy shit, it's windy, dude. I'm really fighting the wind going this way. Holy shit. But yeah, I don't know what I'm really doing. I'm just going for a ride today and I guess just documenting it. I wish that was more entertaining for y'all, I'm not gonna lie. Y'all showed so much love to the channel, but I'm not that entertaining. But I do appreciate all the love y'all showing me. Sorry, I love cars. That shit was fucking nice. That's nice too. Bro, of course they got a fucking red light, dude. Another thing that pisses me off is my last fucking TikTok, for some reason it keeps getting shadow banned. YouTube loved it. Thank y'all for that fucking love on that. YouTube video I did. Oh, okay, he's getting over. I really do appreciate all the love on it, but TikTok for some reason keeps fucking shadow banning that fucking video. Pissing me off, dude. Because I didn't even do anything fucking crazy. I was just riding around. I made someone happy. It's just, I don't know. It pisses me off. I don't get it. Why? Oh my god, it's so fucking windy, dude. There's probably way too much noise for this fucking video, man. That sucks. Okay. I was like laughing at music for a second there. Why is it so bad? I just want one nice day where there's no wind and no fucking coldness. I want 73-degree weather, no wind. That's all I want. Why is that too much to ask for? God damn. Going way too slow. But yeah, I'm going to meet my girl for lunch. Or her lunch break at work. Then probably gonna go get a haircut. With fucking helmet hair. But you know, whatever. My shit's getting long as fuck. Is there a fucking car show I don't know about? If I see another car go by, I may say fuck it and go. Because that's like, I don't know how many nice cars they've seen already. That was a nice truck back there, I wasn't gonna lie. It's gonna be a long fucking, there it is. That's nice short. Like, I don't, that's oddly fucking clean, bro. Holy shit, dude. The fuck? The fuck they scream at me for? I'm so lost, dude. I hate fucking chrome wheels. Hot take. Hate on me in the comments if you want. That's a nice Corvette, but I hate chrome wheels like that, dude. Drop into them, my life. Yeah, well, I'm probably here early. Let's see. Let's see. Are we here early or not? Because I guarantee you we're probably fucking early, but ignore how dirty she is. And I probably look stupid as fuck right now, but oh well, I don't give a fuck. Damn, she's dirty. But anyways, is that a fucking spider web? That man was hanging on for your life, probably. It's dirty as fuck. I need to clean it. What the fuck are you? Oh, another flower. But yeah, I love this bike so much, man. It's so clean looking. I'm about to get some levers and fucking bar ends next, and then when I get my bar ends, I'm probably gonna put on my new grips that I've been holding on to since before I got the bike. That was originally for my 450. I can go whenever, so let me know when you're close. I'm here. Oops. But yeah. God. This is another like hot take thing. But I personally think the new ZX6R looks so much better than the old one. It's so much more aggressive in the front here with these. This part right here just looks so much better to me. I wish they would make some fucking double bubbles already, so I can get one of those. Everyone's looking at me. Oh, okay. Levers, bar ends will be my next video. I'll probably should record myself trying to put them on. Just why not? I don't know. Guardian bell, of course. The twin brothers slip-on makes it sound nice. I'm not gonna lie. I love that. But the only thing I need to get these off too. But yeah, that's about it. I'm about to go eat some food. Maybe. I may not eat. I don't know yet. I will, I think I don't know what I'm gonna do next after this. I'm probably gonna get a haircut like I planned. We'll find out.